Hi, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro and this is the OPPO Find X6 Pro. In this video, let's compare the camera between them. Because right now, the Mate 60 Pro is like one of the trending phones, one of the hottest phones on the market. And here is, in my opinion, one of the phones that comes with the best cameras. Because I have done the tests like with the iPhone, also with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, like this thing nailed it. So let's just compare the camera. Let's get started. All right, so both 4K 60 fps. Oh yeah. We're comparing the Mate 60 Pro with the OPPO Find X6 Pro. All right, so this is the 4K 60 fps. We judge from the camera. To be honest, I cannot see any difference. Really, I cannot see any difference. Like it's just both very stable. Okay, let's try the backlight a little bit. Still no difference at all. But if I can check the cloud, I would say, let me check the rear cloud. Okay, so I think OPPO is more like a true to life. Maybe. Okay, let's just check the. Yeah, I cannot see a difference. I mean, both are really good. Now let's try the stabilization a little bit. Let's just run a little bit so you can see the difference. And also you can check out the mic. As far as I know, like the mic from OPPO is like. From Huawei, I mean, from Huawei is really good, but I don't know if OPPO is really good as well. So very like noisy here. Let's check if you can hear me. Wow! If you can hear me, I'm really in a really loud, in a really noisy environment. Okay, let's just go back. Really, I cannot tell any difference, to be honest. Really good. So what I'm doing now is like, let's test the steady, the ultra steady. All right, test a little bit more about the 4K 60 fps in this landscape mode, because most of the time I'm also using the landscape mode, because I'm not doing the shots. To be honest, I hate shots. Okay. 4K 60 fps. So, okay, let me run a little bit. Is that all good? Both seems stable. Okay, that's it, right? All right, now both like it's like ultra steady. I hope it's like ultra steady Pro. Here see the difference. Okay, let me just run a little bit. Okay. See if the shot steady or not, both. Yeah, when I turn on the ultra steady or steady shot on Huawei, it seems like it only supports like up to 1080 60 fps. Okay, not 4K now. Yeah, of course you have to like what they're doing is like the crop the pictures, right? So just does not support 4K. Okay. Actually, like 1080 60 fps is the resolution I use the most, because I just use the most. Whoa! Again, I saw from the screen, it's like always like brighter, more pleasing to eyes, and also higher dynamic range. Just check out the The dark part I can see clear, but still I have to check on computer to see everything. So I want to judge, or I just leave it to you because I'm too lazy, you know. I'll just leave it to you, right? You guys can tell like whether it's good or not. 1080, 60 FPS. So okay, that's the all right. Okay. All right. Wow. You know what? To my surprise, now OPPO supports 4K selfie video. That's great. I don't know the frames, but you know, I guess it's 30 FPS. Whoa! But yeah, judging from the screen, OPPO is like got overexposed on the Skype. Well, on Huawei you can still see very clear the cloud. You know, so also Huawei appears more stable. So that's the screen. That's the selfie camera. Wow. But I can see like why my face like looks so red on Huawei, while OPPO looks more natural. Okay, again, yeah, but I can tell like Huawei, if judged from the color, the dynamic range, and the stabilization, Huawei is better. Don't need to check it out on computer. But good thing is, right? OPPO supports finally supports 4K. They must see my video last time, so they just took that advice. Okay, 4K, 30 FPS. That's the front. Now let's check about others. So this is like the ultra wide angle. All right, so let's adjust it to 1 time. This is 1 time on Huawei. So 1 time. Okay, this is 4 times on Huawei. 1.2, 3, 3.6. Okay, 4. Both at 4 times zoom. Both looks kind of grainy. Okay, now both at 10 times. Oh, this is very interesting. From my screen, I can see like OPPO is brighter and looks higher dynamic range. Okay, it's 10 times. Oh, I think I don't need to see on computer. OPPO is like better because less grainy, more stable, brighter, and better, right? So let's just then move a little bit. Yeah, this is very obvious, right? For OPPO, like you can see the text is so clear, like but on Huawei it's like kind of not that clear, and also looks more grainier. And also check the bricks. Yeah, OPPO is better for this kind of zoom videos. But I don't know, like if you guys like really use this kind of zooms very much. Okay, let's oh, like on Huawei it's kind of like so stuttering. It's kind of not smooth. OPPO is very smooth. Okay, but this like a alright, 4K 60 FPS night videos. I guess, you know, for this kind of night videos we won't like compare too much, Okay. Let's check out the stabilization to see if they're like stable. Both are under the standard stabilization. I noticed one thing again on OPPO. You can see this kind of ghost effect. You can see the glare, right? Anyway. The screen on both phones that got totally blown out. Yeah, like for this kind of night videos, I guess it's still like need some time. So I mean, need some time to optimize for all phones. I mean, wow, but I can see that Huawei is better. You can see the text part. Like on this part, like OPPO has got blown out, washed out, but seems on Huawei it handles really well, right? Okay. And then let's take some night photos. I do find one that, like for Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's like it takes so much longer time to for the night photos, and the results is not better than the OPPO. All right, so that's definitely the reason of the processor. You know, the OPPO's sports, you know, the newest one, the top one nowadays. While like for Huawei it features the Crane 9000S. Based on some of the view, it's almost like a Snapdragon 888. So that's several years ago. But yeah, Huawei is marvelous. Hats off to Huawei. So yeah, that's the night photos.